Last time, we stayed at one of the most highly talked about hotels here on the Las Vegas Strip, the all-new Resorts World Hotel and Casino, to see if it's worth all the hype. Today, we're staying at a place many of you have asked us to check out, and we are, the MGM Grand. So, come along, because it's always an adventure.
What's up, you guys? We are staying at the MGM Grand here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, and the MGM Grand is located more on the south side of the Strip. We're really excited to bring you into this experience, and we're staying in our room. Is called a Stay Well Tower Spa Suite. I think like that, right?
Yeah, you got it right.
Thank you.
And it looks really nice. We're excited to check it out for you guys. And also, the MGM Grand is just massive. So much to offer here. So we have a lot to show you. They have a great pool complex as well that's very popular with families and children.
Yeah, we've seen that as we were checking in. There was a lot of families here for sure. So there, like Dave said, there's so much to explore here at the MGM, so we want to get this party started. Fingers crossed that we can get into the pool. Now it's first come, first serve, so could be kind of crazy. They open up at 9. We might want to get there at 7.
Exactly, first in line.
First in line. All right, anyway, first up, this room tour. Let's rock it. Welcome to our humble abode for the next several nights. Now, it's a pretty nice room. We cannot knock that. A little on the dated side, but it really does not stop the fact that it's comfortable, it's pretty big, and we love the Stay Well. One thing we love, Dave and I both love the fact that there's this sort of large desk for us to both be able to work here. So we're looking forward to diving into some editing skills here, maybe some late night eat sessions after some live on the Las Vegas Strip. Well, looks good to me. Oh, hey, excuse me, and don't forget, this is pretty darn cool. I think this is what makes it the spa suite, is the fact that it has this giant size tub in here. Now this is a little weird, but I'm sitting here while you're looking at me, so let me just get out. Get out!
And it has a Stay Well shower we both like.
And of course, let's not forget this right over here. And I'm thinking it's not a refrigerator, but it's, yep, the dreaded minibar. And just know, anything you touch in there, you bought it. So don't touch it unless you want to buy it. And those prices right there are not cheap. Now, we know the Stay Well beds are pretty darn comfortable, and this may not be an exception. It feels comfortable, but Dave, the only way to determine its comfortability is what?
Well, the bed test.
That's right, y'all. It's time for the bed test.
So we're feeling hungry, so we came down here to Avenue Cafe to see how the food is. We'll check it out for you, let you know what we think.
It has a sort of feeling of a diner-like atmosphere. They do serve breakfast and lunch. Right now it's about 1:30-ish in the afternoon, and you can still get breakfast and lunch. So I am probably gonna have breakfast. What about you, Dave?
Probably have some breakfast too, we'll see.
Right.
Let's have a look at the menu. We're feeling a late breakfast right now, and that's why we chose this spot. It's a nice diner vibe here, and plus the food is basically diner type food. So I'm just getting the it's gonna be American breakfast, basically 2 eggs, bacon, some English muffin. Real simple, quick, hopefully good. We'll let you know.
Bacon.
Bacon. Got a bacon.
I ended up getting the corned beef hash with medium eggs. I will tell you this, we've noticed this on our little adventures walking around MGM. There is not a shortage of places to eat. There are so many places to eat, and I felt like here we were able to walk right in. As busy as it is right now, it seems like we didn't necessarily have to make a reservation for this spot, but you never know. It still looks like it's every other table, but lots of food options for sure. All right, so I'm excited. Look at that right there. Looks really, really good. It's nice when you're super hungry. Just, this is comfort food in the making. The egg looks almost perfectly made. Look at that. Just, oh, David, that's like,
Nice job.
oh man. All right, I'm gonna take that bite all the way to heaven. First,
There we go.
what's great is I always see you get the corned beef hash.
Right.
So I'm always like, okay, this is, looks really good. That's actually very good. You're gonna like this. It's got the green peppers, the red peppers, little saltiness to it. Potato with the runny egg. That is like spot on. Delicious. Oh. Comfort food. Comfort food.
The bacon looks nice and crispy.
Crispy.
Yeah, I'm gonna dive in.
trade you some of that.
We're kind of perfectly done. That's kind of how we like it. A little runny there. Want the whites done. It's good. I gotta have this. This bacon looks good. I'm gonna have some of this. Can't beat bacon and eggs sometimes. Just gotta have it.
Well, unless you're trying some of this corned beef
Boom.
hash.
There we go. Thank you. That is good.
Okay.
You just need some pickled jalapenos. That'll be perfect.
knew you were
But these
gonna
are good
say
though.
that.
Yeah. Well, that was good. Time for us to get a move on.
Nice backpack. And that's what I'm talking about. Gotta love a latte. Love a latte.
Love a latte.
What's up, you guys? It's really, really beautiful day here at MGM Pool. There's something really cool to do here at MGM, which is the lazy river run behind us. Just exactly what it says, lazy river. You just hang out and float, float, float. We turn it up like we are swimming under the sun. And we are breaking, never mistaken. I'm driving up and now I'm turning it back. The race is on. Bye, Dave.
Hello, hey, how you doing?
Magical bounce. From down the road. I find this way is the easiest way. Just kind of sit inside of it and float.
There you go.
It's like the easiest way. Just
All right, here we go. We're cruising. We're running.
Oh, we're running. I like that. Oh, I see. That's how you. I was like, why are you moving so fast? I was like, how are you? What? Relax. Hey, hold on. Watch the horse. The cars. Ah, he just jumped right in front of me. Nice, right?
Very nice.
Now that's one fun lazy river. Dave, what do you think?
I think it's a great pool area here.
Yeah.
The lazy river is awesome. The pools are nice.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's one big pool area. It's time for us now to have some drinks.
No, it's a long walk back, so come along with us.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Finally. Down here. All right, you guys. So we are back for another fun slot play action here, and we're going to be doing 10 pulls on this machine here. Right now, we're at the Power Wheel.
Power wheel, 10
Oh
pulls.
my gosh.
Max bet $4, so we'll see.
$4 bet, 10 pulls. Hopefully we get
right.
a bonus out of this one, and we don't bust. All right.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Let's do it.
10 pulls.
All right, you guys, we have loaded in $96.99 because that was the
right.
ticket we had. We're doing max bet, $4 bet, which is the highest you can do here in this machine. Dave?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Come on, let's go. 10 pulls.
Go, 10
Power
pulls.
wheel. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Number 2. Okay, number 3.
Number 3, come on, power wheel.
Alright, number 4. I like that instant stack right there. Instant stack sounds like it's a thing that's supposed to happen.
Yeah, number 5.
Oh! Ooh, I like the 2 power wheels. We're gonna get one more in that middle. One more in that middle.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Alright, number 7. Let's
Don't
go, power
be
wheel.
frisky. Don't be frisky. Oh, what a big tease right there. It's like, look, he almost got it. He almost got it.
Number 8. 2. Number 9.
1, 2, 3. Alright, David, number 10.
Okay, there we go. Come on, let's bring some fun here.
I'm doing one more for
There we go, number 11.
and that's it.
Alright, well, no, so I can't win them all.
You can't win them all, but hey, at least you can leave with a nice little Subway sandwich.
That's right.
Alright.
Alright, gotcha.
And moving on.
Hey.
Let's just say we had a very nice time here at the MGM Grand. A spot that I could say we'll certainly be back for sure.
Yes, it's a nice spot. The pool area is amazing. A lot of fun. That lazy river, definitely check that out. Great restaurants, but it is a huge complex, so be prepared for that.
Yeah, and one piece of advice, we tend to stay at a lot of properties here. You guys know that if you don't check out some of those videos, we do some really cool ones here in Las Vegas hotels. maximize those points. I would definitely
Yes.
say that. Get those rewards cards if you're staying at different properties because they do come in handy. Coffee drinkers like us, it was nice to have that VIP area to get massive amounts of coffee. Thank you very much. We really enjoyed that. Hey, take a second to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas!
on to the next one. Everybody's booing. Lazy River's now closed. Boo!
All right, here we go. We're cruising, we're running.